Hello there, very simple little tutorial this one. I just want to show you in Excel VBA how to reference a cell in your worksheet. So what we're going to do is we're going to enter a value into it, and then we're going to do a little bit of formatting to it as well. So what we do is we start with the range object, and then you open a bracket, and then in quotation marks you put the address of the cell you want to reference. Now if you want to input a value into the cell, you then put an equal sign in and then you type your value. Now I put it in quotation marks because this is a text value, and if I play this, there we are, you can see hello appears in that cell. If it was a numeric value, forget about the quotation marks, I'll go in just fine without quotation marks. You could also, for example, do a bit of formatting to the cell. So for example, if I want to change the background color, I'd put a full stop in, and that brings up an IntelliSense list of methods and properties for the range object. So then I might use the interior property and then specify that I want to give a color. And there's lots of ways of specifying colors in VBA. But just for brevity, I'm going to use a VB color, VB red, and then I'm going to play that, and you can see that our cell is now red. So that's all this tutorial is going to cover. Thanks very much for listening, and hopefully that's been useful.